Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to convert your BTC to USDT on Binance? Today I am going to show you how to convert BTC to USDT on Binance. Here's a quick and easy guide. First of all, open your Binance app or website and log into your account. Tap on Trade at the bottom, then select Convert for a simple exchange. Choose BTC as the currency you want to convert and USDT as the currency you want to receive. Enter the amount of BTC you want to convert. Then tap Preview Conversion to check the rate. If you are happy with the exchange rate, tap Increase BTC to complete the transaction instantly. Then go to Wallets, select Spot to confirm that your USDT is now available. And that's it. You have successfully converted BTC to USDT on Binance. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching.